Welcome to the Preflight Checklist. Today's checklist is about determining aircraft pricing. Almost every owner believes they know what their airplane is worth, and that's understandable. You've invested time, money, and years of ownership into it. You know every upgrade, every inspection, every squawk, and every improvement that has gone into making it your airplane. The challenge is that buyers don't see your aircraft through the same lens. They see a marketplace filled with alternatives. And that is why pricing doesn't begin with what you have invested, it begins with reality. The first place to look is to the market itself. Every active listing, every recent sale, and every aircraft that quietly went under contract contributes to the picture. No single airplane establishes the market. Instead, pricing begins by understanding where your aircraft fits among comparable examples. That comparison requires more than just matching model and year. Equipment, maintenance history, engine times, and yes, presentation all matter. All of these factors influence where an aircraft belongs within the market, rather than simply defining an average value. Once that picture becomes clear, another challenge appears. Owners naturally assign value to the work they have completed over the years. The new interior, modern avionics, fresh paint, major maintenance. These investments absolutely improve an aircraft, but they don't always return dollar for dollar when it comes time to sell. The market rewards many upgrades, but it also establishes practical limits. Understanding that distinction helps separate ownership investment from market value. And that brings the conversation to expectations. A realistic asking price isn't about leaving money on the table. It's about inviting the right buyers into the conversation. When an aircraft enters the market at a price that reflects both its strengths and its competitive position, buyers engage with confidence. When the asking price drifts beyond what the market supports, interest often slows before meaningful negotiations even begin. Ultimately, pricing is not about predicting the highest possible sale price. It's about positioning the aircraft where value, buyer confidence, and market conditions all come together, and that is where successful transactions usually begin. From our perspective, one of the biggest misconceptions in aircraft sales is that pricing is primarily a valuation exercise. It is not. It is a positioning exercise. The market ultimately determines value, and buyers compare every aircraft against the available alternatives. Owners who begin with an honest assessment of where their aircraft fits within today's market usually experience stronger interest, more productive negotiations, and a smoother path to closing. Reality isn't something to negotiate against. It's the foundation that good pricing is built upon. This has been the Preflight Checklist.